to, but you convinced us. Should I decorate her walls or log off the Pinterest?
Lesson macho male posturing and strutting in bars and locker rooms is all about. It's called dick fear.
Like $100. Being that. So yesterday I was able to test this RC car for drifting using the gyro that comes with the RadioLink. So let's have a look at this, and then once we have a look at this, I'll be able to determine what's up with it. So a couple of things that I've been able to change, especially when it comes to the cantilevers and the shocks. You find that they've put this one inside. So the problem is that this blocks for the shocks not to work properly. It limits the shocks and tightens the whole thing. What I've been able to do is reverse if you look at this and this, they're two different ways, right? So I've been able to reverse this to the opposite direction. You see, now on this one, it's much harder to do it from this side, but from this side, it's already slanting. I've been able to figure that out. That's quite cool. So I'm going to flip this to also look like this. You can see already, it's already trying to sit. So that's already much better. Okay, that's how much I've opened. So they're adjustable. And then now we can see whether we... So you see it automatically goes back to its position, which is good. Perfect. And then I've lowered the magnets where to sit. I've fixed I've put a RS drift servo. So where is the box? So I'll put this ReveD drift servo, and then we're going to see whether that works quite well with it. It's a 42 kg one, and then we have it sitting like that. So it's perfect. We can test it a bit and see. There we go. Magnets, boom. Testing 1, 2, 3.